In today's video, we are going to show you how to change leverage on Plus500. Let's begin. Now, here's something important on Plus500. You cannot usually manually change the leverage directly like some other brokerage platform because leverage is automatically set based on the instrument you are trading. For example, this is a stock options, which is Tesla, and is determined by regulations in your country or different for retail versus professional accounts. But even though you can directly select 1 is to 50 or 1 is to 100 leverage manually, you can control your effective leverage by adjusting your position size. Go to the trade section. Leverage is essentially calculated as total position size plus the required margin. In the meantime, what you can do is enter a small trade size to mimic the lower average. You can also add a stop loss or guaranteed stop to cap losses as leverage amplifies both gains and risks. And if you want to have a customized leverage, you can switch to other brokers, but Plus500 prioritizes automated safety. And basically, that's it for today's video on how leverage works and how you can effectively adjust it on Plus500. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.